Have you ever woke up, looked in the mirror and said to yourself, it's gonna be a bad hair day? If so, this video is for you. This is how to protect your hair while sleeping and the best nighttime hair tips so that you wake up to effortless, shake, refresh, and go hair. I'm Elizabeth, a master hairstylist and engineer, and the founder of Shadavi, a hairline that has everything you need for ultimate nighttime hair care routine. In today's video, I will reveal 7 steps to keep your hair healthy, soft, and protected overnight so that you maintain your hair's health, protect it from damage, set your hair up for major growth, and have picture perfect hair. To have the best morning, we have to get our evenings together. Look, I know how it is, okay? So I'm going to walk you through 7 step-by-step techniques and recommend products that make nighttime hair care simple and effective. But do note that if you skip any of these steps in this video, it can make or break your results overnight. So if you're wondering, does a nighttime hair care routine even matter? I'm here to tell you it does. Now that we've established that, I'm sure you want to know the reasons why. In general, overnight, our bodies, including our scalp, repairs itself. Your scalp is working overtime while you sleep, even though you're not even doing anything. While you're catching Z's, your body goes into repair mode, and that includes your scalp. That's why it's called getting your beauty sleep. Here's how it works. Your skin, including your scalp, naturally sheds old cells and replaces them with fresh new ones. This process speeds up at night, helping to repair any damage from the day. Think buildup from products, pollution, even tension from styling. During sleep, blood flows to the scalp. It increases. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your hair follicles, which helps with scalp health and hair growth. Your scalp's sebaceous oil glands work overnight to balance moisture levels. If you have a dry scalp, it tries to produce more oil. And if it's oily, your body regulates production to keep things in check. Stress hormones drop while you sleep, which helps reduce inflammation and stress-related shedding. This is why poor sleep can sometimes lead to hair thinning or an irritated scalp. Everyday styling, heat, and even sun exposure can cause tiny amounts of damage to your scalp and your hair. While you're sleeping, your body produces more collagen and keratin, both essential for strong, healthy hair and a resilient scalp. Basically, your scalp is like a mini self-care queen overnight, handling her business so you wake up with a healthy foundation for hair growth. Protecting your hair while you sleep isn't just about keeping your style intact overnight or just about overnight repair. It's about preventing breakage, dryness, and frizz while setting your strands up for success the next day. Here's some key benefits to protecting your hair at night. Retaining moisture and hydration. Cotton pillowcases can suck the moisture right out of your hair, leaving it dry and brittle by morning. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase helps lock in hydration so your strands stay soft and nourished. Minimizing friction and tangles. Tossing and turning at night can cause friction between your hair and your pillow, leading to tangles, split ends, and frizz. A silk or satin bonnet or scarf helps your hair glide smoothly while you sleep. Prepping your hair for easy styling. Ever wake up with your hair looking like it had a fight with your pillow? Protecting your hair at night keeps your styles in check and makes your morning routine so much easier, whether you have a silk press, curls, or a protective style. Here's a step-by-step guide to protecting your hair and supercharging your scalp's overnight recovery while getting your beauty sleep. Step 1, massage in a scalp serum or oil before bed. Before bed, take a moment to give your scalp a little TLC because healthy hair starts at the root. If your scalp is prone to buildup, choose a non-greasy, fast-absorbing oil that avoids clogging pores overnight. Apply a lightweight scalp oil like Shadavi's Hair and Scalp Elixir to nourish your scalp and encourage growth. This oil is packed with natural ingredients that help keep your scalp balanced and hydrated. Use your fingertips or a scalp massager to gently massage the oil into your scalp in circular motions for 2 to 5 minutes. This boosts blood circulation, which helps to deliver oxygen and essential nutrients to your root, promoting growth. Focus on areas that tend to be dry or where you want to encourage growth. If your scalp tends to get dry or itchy, this step will also help soothe irritation and keep everything in balance overnight. Here's a pro tip. A pre-bed scalp massage also helps you relax and relieves tension, reducing stress hormones that can contribute to hair shedding. It's a win-win. That's just step number 1 though. You also need to make sure you hydrate your strands. Step 2, hydrating your strands. Your hair needs moisture to stay soft, strong, and resilient, especially at night when it's prone to drying out. Prior to oiling, apply a scalp mist or hydrating spray if your scalp tends to feel dry at night. Looking for ingredients like aloe vera, rose water, glycerin to boost moisture without making your scalp greasy. Apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner or spray water to the length of your hair, focusing on the ends where dryness is most common. If your hair is extra dry, you can layer a lightweight cream or butter over the oil to seal in the moisture. This step is especially important if you sleep in a dry environment. Hello Vegas! Let's not forget step 3, detangle gently. Nobody likes waking up to a tangled mess. Detangling at night helps prevent knots, breakage, and unnecessary stress on your strands. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to gently remove any tangles, starting at the ends. Then work your way up. Be patient. Rushing through this step can lead to unnecessary breakage. If needed, spritz a bit of water or apply extra leave-in conditioner to make the process smoother. If your hair is prone to single strand knots, this step is a must for keeping them at bay. Step 4, protective styling. Now that your hair is moisturized and tangle-free, it's time to put it up in a protective style to minimize friction and breakage while you sleep. For curly and coily hair, loose braids, twists, or a pineapple work wonders for keeping your curls intact. For strained or stretched hair, a loose bun or wrapping your hair with a satin scarf can help maintain your style. If you have a protective style like braids, lock, or twist, lightly mist your hair with a leave-in spray before bed to keep your strands hydrated. Now, protective styles keep your hair from rubbing against your pillowcase, preventing tangles, breakage, and frizz, while preserving your style overnight. All this is great, but this next step is absolutely necessary. Step 5, protect with silk or satin. I know I've been mentioning this throughout the video, but this is the final and most important step. If you want to wake up with smooth, frizz-free hair, satin and silk is your best friend. Wrap your hair in a satin or silk scarf or bonnet to keep it secure overnight. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. Silk is also great for preventing skin irritation and wrinkles. Now listen closely. It's not all about products and tools. Step 6, stay hydrated, because your scalp needs moisture too. Just like the rest of your body, your scalp needs water to stay healthy. Dehydration leads to dryness, itching, and even increased hair shedding. If you want to wake up with refreshed, balanced scalp, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before bed. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your scalp and hair follicles nourished. If you sleep in a dry environment, use a humidifier in your bedroom to keep moisture levels balanced. This last step is so simple, yet with technology and the way things are today, few of us manage to do it, honestly. Step 7, get 7 to 9 hours of sleep so your body can do its thing. Your scalp and hair repairs itself the most while you're sleeping. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones, collagen, and keratin, all of which are essential for healthy hair and scalp function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your scalp to fully renew. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you fall asleep faster. Dim the lights, avoid screens, and try a little deep meditation or deep breathing. If stress is affecting your sleep, which can lead to hair shedding, try sipping a calming tea like chamomile, lavender, or something like that before bed. Not getting enough sleep, your stress hormone cortisol levels spike, leading to inflammation and potentially hair thinning over time. Prioritizing sleep equals better hair days ahead. So wake up to healthier hair. Take just 5 to 10 minutes to care for your hair at night can make all the difference in your scalp health and hair growth. By keeping your scalp nourished, hydrated, and stress-free, you're setting the foundation for stronger, healthier hair overnight. With this simple routine and our hair and scalp elixir, you'll wake up to hair that's moisturized and tangle-free, so you can have a productive day without the morning hair struggles. Now, at this point, we need to make sure your overall routine is top-notch, which is why you should watch this video about the best hair routine for growth. See you in the next video, and sweet dreams and happy hair days ahead.